Hello everyone, welcome back into a Friday night edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz once again talking about the weather, and what can you say? It was a beautiful day today. Lots of sunshine, no showers around. We're looking at more clouds moving in and maybe a chance of showers this week, and we'll tell you about that in just a little bit. Our photograph night sent in by Nancy Hummel. The meeting of this Moose Club will now come to order. You can see why there's a gathering of about 4 or 5 moose down there, and they're just having a great old time. You don't see that very often. Again, thanks to Nancy for that photograph, and as always, if you have a photograph to share, photos at ktvf11.com. Today's high 65, the low last night 47, the record high was 87 in 1977, 30 the record low in 1931. Sunrise and sunset under 16 hours of daylight, 15 hours and 53 minutes to be exact. On the satellite radar, a big storm moving across the Gulf of Alaska, but most of the energy is being shunted off to the south of the Alaska range, so we're not really getting a whole lot of there, just a few scattered showers here and there, and that is showing up on the latest radars. You can see a little bit of activity moving in from the west, but it's very, very light, and it's not even hitting the ground. What's going on across the rest of the state? Over southeast Alaska, the rain has returned to Juneau and Ketchikan, 63 degrees for both Juneau and Ketchikan. Not a bad day in Anchorage, 64, partly cloudy skies, same for Kodiak, 65. A little cooler down around the Aleutian Chain with Cold Bay, 56, 58 at Bethel, 52 at Nome, Barrow, 38 degrees and chilly conditions there. For Yukon, 61. Lower 48 weather, and talking about warm temperatures again across the Rocky Mountain region, 93 at Denver, 95 at Salt Lake City. Another hot day for Las Vegas and Phoenix, and warming back up again at Dallas. Thunderstorms around the Minneapolis area. Over the eastern half of the country, they're finally clearing out there, although temperatures are still fairly warm, but not as humid as they were before, because the storm system that brought all the storminess to the Great Lakes earlier this week has moved out, but a little more activity moving across the Gulf Coast states and across the Southwest. Things are looking pretty good. Now, the overall outlook for tomorrow is calling for severe weather to break out from an area of, well, north of the Canadian border all the way down through Omaha, Nebraska. And it's going to be bringing damaging wind and hail, flash flooding, and tornadoes. And the overall jet stream for next week is calling for a big dip down coming across the Great Lakes, which will help to develop showers. With the heat building once again back over the western half of the country, down to the south, things look pretty humid once again. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Rain and snow showers in Barrow, partly cloudy skies at Nome, and showers for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, looking at the rain moving back into the picture, showers developing for Fairbanks, rain likely at Delta and Healy. Over southeast Alaska, more rain expected there too. Periods of rain for Juneau and Ketchikan. Temperatures around 60 degrees. Over to the southwest, showers at Bethel, cloudy skies at Cold Bay, and sunny skies for Kodiak. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, doesn't look too bad. Partly cloudy skies for Anchorage and Homer, and showers are likely in Valdez. So here's your forecast for the remainder of the night for the Fairbanks area. 48 degrees, a little warmer than last night. Increasing clouds with an isolated shower possible. Tomorrow, about a 60% chance of showers by afternoon. Into the evening hours, 48 degrees. And as far as the extended forecast, 60 degrees. There's your forecast. The 5-day outlook calling for showers off and on throughout the 5-day period. Daytime highs warming up a little bit by Tuesday or Wednesday, and overnight lows will once again be very consistent right around that 45 degree barrier, a little warmer on Tuesday and Wednesday, but maybe some showers in the weekend.